Hello and welcome to the new and improved IFSA Advisor portal. I'm here to give you a quick tutorial of the new portal and its features. Let's get started. Once you log in, you'll be prompted to the new and improved Advisor portal page, starting with the main students page as you see here. You will find all applications for your students and in your institution in one organized and filterable list view. You can use these windows at the top for a quick glance of your student data at each of these stages. We have a brand new quick search feature that will allow you to instantly search by a student name for an application. You'll also find a variety of filters at your disposal to support you in honing your search for specific students, starting with the application status. We've included a click-in pop-up window so you may see all of the statuses and their definitions. We've also included specific filters for country, term, and year. Should you not see a specific country, term, or year listed, it only populates those with live applications within the student portal. There's also a clear filters button to return to the main list view should you wish to clear your designated filters. Below the filters, you'll see the simple list view of the student applications, including the student name, application status, program name, the listed student email within the application, and lastly, their program approval status. Within the new portal, you'll have the option to streamline the student's approvals as well. Simply click on the Pending Approvals button to the top right of the filters to see only those applications pending approval. Within this feature, you can now also approve multiple applications at once. Simply click on the applications you wish to approve and then click Approve Selected on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you've selected the application or applications that are ready to approve, you'll click on the purple Approve button, then read through and fill out all the information within one of the windows. Note that if you approve multiple applications at once, you'll fill out only one of these windows, which will be applicable to all of the applications that you've selected. Next, we'll go into an example of what you'll find within the specific applications and all of the details available to you to support your advising students. Here, you'll see the application status and the application program and additional program details listed as well. Within the application items dropdown, you'll be able to see the students' completed or unsubmitted items. Once the students have been accepted, you'll also see their post-admittance items populated within the portal, and you'll be able to track the completion of those items here as well. Once the housing is assigned for the student, you'll be able to see that at the top of their application too, as well as click into a link that will pop up a window with additional information about the housing option. You'll also be able to see the full list of housing options using the drop-down provided, which includes clear details on which options have supplemental fees. You can also see additional information listed on the classes. Once a student has completed their class selection form, you'll be able to see their classes listed as such. You can also click into the chart link to the far right, which will take you to the class details and additional course information. Once the student has completed their program, you'll also see an option to download a grade report at the top right as well. Within the portal and in the student's application, you'll also be able to see when the student's transcript has been mailed at the top of the page. Should you not see this listed, it means that the transcript has not yet been mailed, and you can reference the unofficial grade report that is provided for a placeholder. Lastly, if there is ever any kind of hold placed on a student's transcript, you'll also find that information listed at the top of the student's application profile as you see listed here. That covers all for the student page and the new features on the application list view. In addition to the student page, you'll also have access to a wide range of IFSA resources and promotional materials when clicking on the Resources tab at the top, such as information on our custom and collaborative programming, resources from our health and safety and well-being team, as well as program flyers for our IFSA programs and locations. Next, we'll navigate to the institution page at the top, wherein you'll see information we have on record for your college and university. Please review these tabs for accuracy to ensure we're approving the right programs, have accurate billing arrangements in place for your institution, and are contacting the right individuals. Of note listed are the emergency contacts, the transcript recipients, the Title IX coordinators, and those with portal access. Returning to the top of the page, the chart link has not changed. You can still navigate to our Curriculum Hub and Academic Resource Tool for advisors and students by clicking on the chart tab at the top. As we wrap up the tutorial, we'll take a quick look at the drop-down with your name listed to see the section titled My Profile. Here you can make changes to your information and review your notification settings. You can always rewatch this video by accessing it here as well. Last but certainly not least, you'll always be able to find your IFSA contact information at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on the icon that reads Your IFSA Contact to see their details, as well as a link provided so that you may schedule a time to meet with them virtually at your convenience. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Should you have any questions, reach out to your IFSA contact. Have a great rest of your day.